Oh. Come with me. Here's what we're gonna do right now is we're gonna go out to the hives and we're gonna pull one of these made by HiveKeepers. It's a company I'll show you. And they make these cassettes that make it easier to harvest honey in like small amounts. Actually, the inventor Simon was out here this past weekend. He flew up from Australia to be with us, which is really cool. So we looked at the cassettes when he was here. They weren't quite ready yet, but they are now. So you're gonna experience this with us when we pull these out. So we've got this hive here. It's 3 deeps, but this top deep is full of those cassettes. So let's see if they'll put up with me. So you'll see them in here. There's these yellow frames. And each one of these has these little plastic cassettes in there that we waxed. So my side has 8 cassettes and looks like the top 2, this one right here is perfect. This one here is almost capped. So we're gonna shake these bees off and pull these all in. Look at that one, that's awesome. So these ones are pretty much ready to be capped. And I put these in about a week and a half ago. And most of these frames are ready to harvest. So we're gonna do this for the first time and we'll see how easy it is for us. Close this up.